Art is the unrestrained burst of inspiration. Well, artworks are practical substance, which means art is boundless. While artworks enter into the market and travel around the world as concrete objects. Therefore, it's a key part to build an efficient authentication system on artworks which come from intangible art for the customs administrations worldwide. It's also an important customs function in promoting the security and facilitation of art trade. Thus, the program of China Customs Entry and Exit Artwork Intelligence Supervision System is born. Nowadays, international cultural exchanges become increasingly frequent. Cultural relics or artworks, such as oil paintings and porcelain, feature high single-valued and large profits from imitation. It's imperative to implement security supervision on their transnational or transregional flow, while regular means such as video monitoring and customs seal, having dead zones, can't effectively identify whether the article is stealthily substituted. Regarding the challenge, Nanchang Customs and its subordinate Jingdezhen Customs took the initiative to practice the concept of smart customs, smart borders, and smart connectivity, and develop the artwork intelligence supervision technology, offering the scientific support in cracking the risk prevention in artwork supervision. Within self-developed portable equipment, the technology identifies and verifies artworks through collecting its unique information in materiology, similar to fingerprint information. Taking ceramics as an example, in the process of being fired at a high temperature, affected by physical and chemical changes, even two ceramics fired in the same kiln, sharing the same shape, their surface microstructure, glaze bubble, microcrack, and etc. is still different. This randomly formed fingerprint information can be duplicated. Thus, it constitutes the unique identification of the ceramic, just as its ID card. Currently, the program has been incorporated into the Operation Application Pilot List of Smart Customs Construction Business Scenario and verified in successive activities, including the 5th China International Import Expo, Jingdezhen International Ceramic Fair, Confiscated Property Management of Huangpu Customs, Returned Cultural Relics Supervision of Changsha Customs, Artworks Bonded Exhibition of Shenyang Customs. Through authenticating 283 articles from 7 categories including ceramics, calligraphy and paintings, sculpture, metalware, woodwork, rhinoceros, horn, and ivory tusks, the success rate has reached 100%. In the future, China Customs will explore applying the technology to the supervision of inbound and outbound artworks, management of customs-related property, travel inspection sites, detained items, and smart connectivity for international artworks exchanges. It's expected to optimize the security protection mechanism, promote the extensive and in-depth exchanges for international artworks, and build a world-class intelligent artworks supervision system.